Hi, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can update WordPress plugin. So first of all, click on dashboard, then under the dashboard, go to updates. Now, under the updates, you can see there is a plugin section where you will be able to update all the plugins that require update. So select the ones that you want to update, or you can simply click on select all to update all of them at once. Now click on update plugin and wait for it to start updating. It will download the latest version of the plugins and update them. And after the update is complete, it will disable the maintenance mode and it will show you that the updates have been completed. So after that, go to plugins and check if all the plugins here are updated or not. If there is any plugin left, you can manually update it from here. So that's it for today. Make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.